So I recently had this consultation call with one of the startup founders, and he was into edutech business. So he got basically rejected by an investor. And you know what the reason was? It was communication skill. Yes. He could not explain the product well to the investor. So basically, the investor did not understand what the product is all about. And eventually, he had to reject the offer. So he did not invest. That is when the founder, he realized that he lacks in communication skills. He's superb with his technical knowledge, but he lacks to express his knowledge, his thoughts, to explain the product. And he lacks there, literally. Now, communication skill is really important in a startup, not only for internal factors, but external as well. And typically, when you adapt this, you will see how the work proceeds more effectively. You will see less friction, less stress. For external factors, you'll be able to communicate well with your investors, with the stakeholders, with other entrepreneurs, networking, and much, much more. So, startups, I understand your products, it could be great. You have definitely a great team, but trust me, communication is equally important.